What's up guys, Sean here. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys the sharpening results of these two knives right here. These are both Veros that were sent in from Ken Harris. So shout out to Ken Harris. He sent these both in for sharpening. This is the full-size Vero Axon with the black DLC coated blade and DLC coated titanium scales. This is a titanium frame lock on bearings. This one was sharpened to 17 degrees per side and got, well, he asked for 1,000 grit edge, but my stones go from 600 to 1500, so I did 1500 and then stropped on Basswood with gunny juice. This one I only stropped with the 1 micron. Only did a couple passes just to refine the apex, make sure it's super sharp. I did not intend to polish this one, however it definitely turned out semi-polished, so I'm gonna get with him on that. Hopefully he doesn't mind because this thing is very sharp, very nice edge. And then this one is a beauty right here. This is the mini Axon. We have a belt satin blade. We have beautiful carbon fiber scales, Damascus clip, and Damascus backspacer. This one got 17 degree per side edge. This one got a full mirror polished edge at 60,000 grit, which I actually went lower than that on the gunny juice on the Basswood, which I'm gonna talk about in a second here. But this is a freaking laser, and I will bust out the phone book paper to show you guys that both of these are sharp. But I just wanted to show you guys a couple things real quick. First, I will show you what I'm carrying today, and that is my Spyderco SHAMAN knife choker exclusive and CPM crew wear blade steel. I have the Flytanium carbon fiber scales, green anodized titanium hardware that was anodized by my buddy Angelo over at the MILLIE Club, and a Lynch Northwest deep carry SHAMAN clip in the sand washed finish. So cool stuff. Put that back in my pocket. Another cool thing, channel stickers are back. These just came in yesterday. I have 50 of them available. They are $4 each, I believe. And then if you get more than one, or if you want more than one, then they are $3 a piece, and they would be shipped together, obviously. So the price, it's priced that way to cover for the stickers themselves, the envelopes, the stamp. I got kind of a little bit thicker cardstock that I put you know, the sticker between in the envelope, because the envelopes are a little bit flimsy. That helps protect the stickers when I ship them. That's just another little extra thing, and it leaves room for $1 or $2 profit per sticker, which that goes back into the channel. So I did the stickers as, you know, something cool for you guys, but also a way that you can help support the channel and contribute to the channel, and also, you know, get something back in return besides the videos. So you know, you guys have that option. There's details about that in the description. And then I took a trip to Hobby Lobby yesterday on my lunch break, and I got me a new piece of basswood. I actually got two pieces. I got this one is the 1 inch wide, and then I got this guy right here. This is 4 inches wide, 24 inches long. Well, both are 24 inches long, and they're both 1/4 inch thick. I do recommend getting the 1/4 inch thick stuff, guys, because it seems to stay more true than the thinner stuff. The thinner stuff, you know, it can be misformed or malformed or whatever very easily. This helps maintain a flat surface without having to attach it to anything, and this just works out good. I like the thicker stuff. It holds up better. It seems to last longer. So on this one right here, I decided not to cut it into smaller pieces. I just decided to do, I can hold it right here in the middle, and I have my 1 micron, my 0.5, then I flip it over, have my 0.25 and my 0.1, and that's really the main micron rating gunny juice that I ever used. The ones that I use the most would be like just the 1 micron, because you can get a mirror unintentionally with the 1 micron on Basswood. But if you really want to go all out and do an insane mirror, then you would want to go lower. But the 1 micron is very effective. As long as you sharpen to up to 1500 grit and you have a nice consistent, even scratch pattern and everything, you should be able to get a pretty damn good mirror just with the 1 micron alone. Sometimes I'll use the 3 micron first and then the 1 micron. There's a lot of different ways to do it. If you want to save money though, you can achieve a lot with just the 1 micron if you wanted to go that route. But of course, the more steps that you add in between grits, the better your results are going to be. So there is that. Oh yeah, and when I was in Hobby Lobby, they had wall decor on sale, 50% off, and I've been wanting to get a cross to add to the wall behind me, and I found this guy right here, and I really like it. I looked all through the aisles with the Christian stuff, and that is the one that I thought would look the best with everything here. And I really like how they have the different scenes throughout the cross, and they have like Mary and Joseph and baby Jesus at the top and the manger. They have the 3 crosses. They have like a sunburst or whatever, the rays of light coming up behind. I'm not sure. This is probably a depiction of Jesus, but there is no physical no markings to really indicate who that might be. And then you have Jesus carrying the cross. A couple of different things, and I just thought that was really nice. And then of course I got this little metal sign right here. It says blessed, because that is one thing that I certainly am through my splitting up with my daughter's mother and moving twice in the past couple months and all kinds of stuff. I've remained faithful to the Lord, and He has helped me through everything and really outdid Himself. I mean, I am very fortunate to be in a position that I am right now and be in a nice place, have my daughter has her own room, we each have our own bathroom, plenty of room, just a really nice place in general. And I'm making just enough money now to basically cover my bills. It's a little bit tight and it's getting tighter, but I'm making it happen, and things are definitely a lot better than they were, and they seem like they are just gonna keep continuing to improve as far as everything that's going on in my life personally. And for that, I am very grateful, and I consider myself very blessed. So I wanted to add that, sort of a little reminder, or kind of just to serve witness to others out there, you guys, that I truly believe that God is to credit for everything good that or everything that has been turned around from negative to positive in my life, and that my prayers and others out there who I've asked for their prayers, I truly believe that God hears those prayers and that He answers them. Yeah, so little random tangent. I tend to go off on those a lot, but you know, it's a topic that's near and dear to my heart, and it's something that I believe in. So, you know, I figured I might as well, you know, speak my piece on it, and you know, there's no need for me to hide from it or be ashamed of it, because that's who I am. And I want viewers who are going to accept me for who I am and enjoy this channel for what it is, and not for, you know, what it isn't. I don't make much money off of this at all. My first payment from YouTube covered part of this desk. You know, it doesn't cover anything, any of the shipping, the equipment, the hundreds or thousands of hours that go into it, or anything like that. So this is definitely not a moneymaker, and that's also, I wanted to apologize that I have not been making as many videos lately. The reason for that is because in order to afford my new apartment and everything, I have to put in a lot more hours at work, and you know, it kind of just is what it is. That's what's paying the bills right now, and unless there's a way for this to earn enough money for me to put the extra hours into it, right now I just can't, and it's gonna basically be on a as I can basis, which I try to bring you guys content as much as I can, trust me. I stress myself out over it quite often, but I have to come to terms with, this is just the way it is. This is the situation that I'm in, and I have to do what I have to do in order to provide for me and my daughter. You know, hopefully I will be able to make videos a little bit more frequently than I have the past couple weeks, because, you know, I've been getting settled into the apartment, getting set up, a lot of stuff to do, and now that I'm kind of settled in a little bit and everything, I should be able to, you know, do a little bit more, especially with this setup. It's a lot easier to do videos this style than to try to do the tabletop setup and get everything high definition and all, which I plan to still do those, but those are a lot more difficult and they take a lot more time. So, you know, that's just something that's going to be kind of limited for the time being. But anyways, let me show you guys that these are sharp, and then I will show you guys some close-ups of these. So where did my phone book paper go? Let me see. All right, got my phone book paper. too much of a mess. But as you can see, this one is very sharp. Right here we have the full size. So as you guys can see, these are both extremely sharp. I'm very happy with the way these edges turned out, and now I will show you a quick close-up.